Why does IPTV run perfectly on one Fire Stick, but constantly buffer on another? What exactly is IPTV, how does it work, and what is really causing your streaming problems? Forget the misleading shortcuts. Here's the simple explanation every Fire Stick user should understand. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. In plain English, it delivers television and on-demand video through an internet connection instead of a traditional cable line, satellite dish, or antenna. Here's how it works. A licensed content provider receives authorized live channels and on-demand programming, converts those video signals into digital streams, and compresses them into formats your device can play efficiently. The streams are then delivered through servers and content delivery networks located in different regions. When you select a channel with your Fire Stick remote, your device requests that stream through the internet. Your IPTV player receives the data, decodes it, and displays the video on your television. A stable connection of around 30 megabits per second may be enough for many HD streams, but speed alone does not guarantee smooth playback. Wi-Fi interference, network congestion, server capacity, video quality, device storage, and app performance can all affect the experience. The first potential bottleneck is your network. Your internet provider is not automatically slowing you down just because you are streaming. However, congestion, routing problems, data limits, or traffic management policies can sometimes affect performance. Before changing anything, test your connection near the Fire Stick, restart your router, and use a wired Ethernet connection or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal whenever possible. A reputable VPN can add privacy by encrypting your connection, especially on public or shared networks. In certain cases, it may help with traffic-specific throttling or poor routing, but it is not a guaranteed buffering fix. A VPN can also reduce speed, so always test your connection both with and without it. The second major bottleneck is your Fire Stick and the player you are using. Even a fast server cannot deliver a smooth experience if your Fire Stick is nearly out of storage, overloaded with background apps, or running an outdated and poorly optimized player. Clear unnecessary cache files, remove apps you no longer use, restart the device, and keep Fire OS and your trusted applications updated. Experienced users often choose dedicated media players such as TiviMate, IBO Player, or XCIPTV because they provide cleaner navigation, electronic program guides, playlist organization, and additional playback controls. But this is extremely important. These applications are media players only. They do not include host, sell, or provide television channels, movies, sports, or subscription access. You must use your own legally obtained and authorized playlist or login information from a legitimate provider. When your home network is stable, your Fire Stick is properly maintained, and your player is configured correctly, the entire experience can become noticeably faster and easier to use. Depending on the features supported by your authorized provider, you may also have access to live pause, program guides, on-demand libraries, favorites, and catch-up television. For beginners, diagnosing Wi-Fi problems, managing Fire Stick storage, and configuring a media player can feel overwhelming. The good news is that you usually do not need mysterious beast mode settings or questionable free playlists. You need a clean device, a reliable connection, a trusted player, and a legal content source. If you need help checking your Fire Stick settings, testing your network, or configuring your media player with your own authorized information, look in the description or the pinned comment for our technical support community. We provide installation guidance and one-on-one troubleshooting, but we do not provide unauthorized channels or copyrighted content. If this video helped you finally understand how IPTV works, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Fire Stick problem you want me to cover next. I'll see you in the next video!